Ito ang one of the most iconic Honda Civics na nilabas. Kaya yung mga Honda boys dyan, matutuwa kayo dito sa video na to. I got you ulit! Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival. 2009 Honda Civic FD automatic transmission, exterior wise, fresh original paint, at upgraded to 17 inches NK wheels at makakapalang tires. At dito sa harap, crystal clear na headlight, fog lamps, mesh grille at zero ang ending. At sa engine, it's a 1.8 liter R18, syempre VTEC to, automatic transmission, gasoline engine, at napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina. Magdalaan ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At may mga konting upgrades na rin siya tulad ng headers at naka-limitless air intake na rin yan. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at well-designed na dashboard, traditional infotainment system, climate control, secret storage, automatic transmission, at another storage na pwede maging cup holder, center console, at naka-Momo steering wheel na rin to. Analog display with 100,000 kilometers on the clock only, at ang favorite part ko, yung digital gauge cluster. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 foot ang head ko. Meron siyang tuho kung meron kayo sasabit. At armrest na may 2 built-in cup holders. At pagdating naman sa body, naka Mugen RR body kits na rin to by Spec R. At syempre, para sa safety no, naka 4-wheel disc brake na rin to. At pagdating sa pinakalikod, naka Mugen RR na wing, iconic taillight, at naka Jasma full exhaust. At pagdating naman sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space, medyo lang pala, at kumpleto ng tools, peta, and jack. So this is the 2009 Honda Civic FD automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 385,000 pesos lang mauuwi na to. Open to for cash, trade-in, cash at trade-in lang siya pwede. So mga Honda boys dyan, huwag nyo nang palampasin to. Napaka-pogi na neto. Puntahan nyo na bago kayo maunahan. Thank you guys. Peace out.